Today we're going to check out the new 2026 Keystone Cougar 26 RKE, and I'm going to show you everything I love about this camper. Before we check out the massive upgrades they've done to the living room, I want to start off in the bedroom. Keystone is known for their king size bed, so we got you covered there, and tons of storage on both sides. It's 50 amp service, so we got an AC in the front and in the back, and tons of storage underneath, as you can see. Got some more storage right here. Super awesome. It's even prepped for a washer dryer, and then we got storage underneath as well. Let's continue our tour. Right in the hallway, we got our bathroom. So for reference, I'm 6'2", and I fit in this thing just fine. It's got a removable head with a skylight. Tons of storage in the bathroom as well. And storage for a medicine cabinet right there. Super nice with some racks. This is where the magic happens. This is our monitor panel where we're gonna see our tank levels, control our slides. It is a 4-season camper, so we'll operate our tank heaters right here, and it's got our awnings as well. This is nice, you gotta admit. Cougar's really outdone themselves with this 26 RKE model. Got our TV right here with our fireplace, works as a big space heater with effects. And behind it, you guessed it, hidden storage. Super neat. Moving on to our dinette area, new engineering done here. Look, got a game night right here where we want to eat. And for my people who work on the road, got your desk covered right there. Super duper neat. This ottoman right here is movable, and it's got storage underneath as well. RKE, rear kitchen. If we need more space, they got you covered right there, and tons of storage in this as well. One-piece sink, super nice. That goes in super easy, and got tons of storage up top. All these cabinets are soft close, super nice. They are not skimping on the quality for you on this. Microwave, 3 burners, and an oven. They've done a little bit bigger oven this year model, which is super nice. Right under that, we got our fuse panel. More storage for our pantry over on this side. These things are super deep. As you can see, it's almost shoulder deep right here on all of the levels. Right next to that, we got our fridge. Tons of storage there. Right here, we got our theater seats. Plop down, watch the game, recline. Bet you're wondering what this is. Fancy little thing I like to call the fight separator. Cup holders, massage, heat, with outlets right here. More shelves right here. USB and USB-C right here with outlets as well. If you come over here and look at this, this is our light controls. They got these around the coach. It can dim the lights, turn them back on, or turn them all the way off. Right here, we got another couch. This will pull out into a bed if you want to have a couple more people over. It's made primarily a couples coach, but they do give you an option if you wanted to bring some company along, okay? Over top of here, we've got even more storage. They really outdid themselves with this model. Can't wait to show you all the outside. Super duper excited to show you all the outside as well. So they did a lot of changes on the inside, but if you'll notice, they've done some major changes on the outside as well. Beautiful new front cap design, new emblem, big Cougars right up across the front, Keystone, super amazing new design. It really stands out going down the highway. We got a Kurt Helix Series hitch right here. Underneath, we got our spare tire and that's where our batteries are gonna go. And that's our battery disconnect right up there on the top. If you'll notice on both sides, the legs, we got auto leveling on this camper, one push button, and you're good to go. Again, nice Cougar logo right there on this 26 RKE model that you get dual awnings and a humongous pass-through storage, as you can see. Right above that, under the awning, got speakers if you want to jam out, hang out here, you can. Dual axle, and just like on the Cougar models, we got that need to have ABS right on our camper to keep us safe when the roads are slick, maybe going up a mountain or down, you're super safe. Another upgrade they've done to this Cougar model, you got upgraded steps. I mean, these are super duper solid. Bang. Again, another awning right here, and under that awning, check this out. Outdoor kitchen area right here. We got our TV, we got our fridge, and in some more prep space. Lock that down, close it up. Moving around the coach. Again, nice new look, badging, all different, really stand out. There's where we'll hook up our power, 50 amp service, dual ACs, run everything you need to inside your coach. Bang! If you know, you know, tankless hot water heater on demand, never run out. Here's our docking station right here. You can configure it how you're gonna camp, whether you're dry camping or you're hooked up at a campground. Super nice. Here's our dump valves. And right there to the right of it, left of it, we got our auto leveling right here. Again, you push a button, super carefree, and this camper is inverter prepped. These 2026s are coming in hot, and I'm not talking about the heat. They got an affordable price and tons of features to match. If you want to see more like this Keystone Cougar, call me. My name's TJ. My number's 256-755-0500, and we'll see you soon at Bankston Motorhomes.